Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best undermount sink clips is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components of a successful undermount sink installation. Choosing the right clips ensures a secure, stable, and watertight seal, preventing leaks and keeping your beautiful granite countertop looking its best. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect clips for your project, covering everything from material and size to installation techniques, so you can achieve a professional-looking result. Number 5. Sink Clips Installation Kit. These brackets provide even support around your sink, ensuring a secure and safe installation. No more worries about damage to your sink or countertop. It's designed to support a wide range of sink sizes and shapes, providing a stable and reliable hold. Say goodbye to wobbly sinks. Installation is quick and easy, no special tools or drilling is required. Simply use adhesive for a secure and hassle-free fit. Easily adjust them to the perfect position even after installation. Get that precise fit you need for a professional look. Made from sturdy zinc-plated steel, they can support sinks weighing up to 320 pounds. They're built to last. They are suitable for various sinks and countertop materials, including marble, granite, and laminate. It's a versatile solution for any kitchen or bathroom. Get 10 high-quality clips at a bargain price. Save money without compromising on quality for your home improvement project. Over time, your sink's original anchors may loosen. These clips reinforce the sink's position, preventing it from dropping. What we like. This product ensures your sink is supported evenly and safely. It's designed for easy installation without any drilling, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly solution to secure your sink, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. 24 hours after applying JB Weld epoxy on the anchors, they bond well with the quartz surface. To avoid the clip breaking the studs away from the surface due to too much leverage, I placed the clip on the bonding foot of the anchors, so even if the wing nut screws in, the force to pull away from the surface balances itself with the pressing force towards the surface. These worked great for securing an undermount sink to our granite countertops. The key is to purchase a quality 2-part epoxy for gluing them in place. We used JB Weld 50112. Also, make sure that the granite that you are attaching them to is clean and dust-free by scrubbing well with denatured alcohol. Worked wonderfully well with JB Weld Plus 5,000 pound strength 2-part epoxy. You need to be able to clamp it. I used a deep throat 5-inch C clamp from Harbor Freight. Number 4. Enhon Sink Clips Kit. Tired of a wobbly sink? This kit provides a secure and stable solution for your kitchen or bathroom. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting support. It's made of zinc-plated steel, ensuring durability and a sleek silver finish. They are built to last, providing a quality upgrade to your home. With 12 strong clips, it can hold sinks weighing up to 1,000 pounds. This ensures your sink remains firmly in place, providing maximum safety and peace of mind. These clips are designed to fit a wide variety of undermount sinks. Whether it's in your kitchen or bathroom, they provide a secure and stable fit for any size sink. The wing nut design allows for easy adjustment and removal of your sink. Installation is simple, just attach it and you're done, no special tools are needed. Each set includes everything you need, an anchoring post, a clip, and a wing nut. You'll have everything you need for a quick and easy installation. What we like. With its heavy-duty steel construction and a 12-pack design, it offers superior stability and holding power. The adjustable design allows for easy removal or repositioning of your sink. If you need the strongest and most flexible support for your sink, this is the one for you. What people say. These were easy to apply and they are holding up very well. Solid, fully functional as intended. Using the correct adhesive is paramount and prepping the surface is especially needed if working on a granite countertop. Makes mounting super easy. What is there to say? They have holes for the epoxy to grab and wing nuts thread on just fine. Holding sinks tight to countertop. Number 3. Premium Sink Clips 10-pack. It can hold up to 1,000 pounds. These clips firmly clamp your undermount kitchen or bathroom sinks. A set of 10 provides superior support. No tools or special skills needed. Installation is a breeze with just 4 simple steps. Epoxy is not included. They're layered with a protective coating. This ensures lasting quality and prevents corrosion. Made from high-quality steel, they're built to last. They're strong and durable, preventing bending. Get 10 premium sink clips at a low cost. This kit offers great value and saves you money. Upgrade your sink installation with these heavy-duty clips. They provide a secure and reliable hold for your sink. What we like. This option provides a strong hold for your sink with its heavy-duty steel construction and anti-corrosion coating. Installation is a breeze, requiring no special tools or expertise. If you value ease of use and long-lasting quality, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Installing these was so fast in comparison to the other clips. It took me over an hour to drill 4 small holes in the granite with the other clips, and that was before I even got started on the clips themselves. These clips arrived and it took me 15 minutes to epoxy them to the countertop. My handyman glued those below my quartz countertop, using PC-7 epoxy, to keep up my stainless steel kitchen sink. He told me the intention is that the glue oozes through the holes in the discs. Anyway, after letting them cure for a couple of days, I filled both deep basins completely with water, and not a murmur from the clips, and no problems 3 months later either. I use these clips along with the premium epoxy glue and they do the job. I installed about 8 clips around the bathroom sink and they are enough to hold it securely to the granite countertop. I tested it with the bowl full of water. Number 2. Undermount Sink Clip Kit. This kit provides a sturdy and easy solution for installing undermount sinks. It's designed for both kitchen and bathroom use. It's made from zinc-plated steel, ensuring a long lifespan and the ability to support up to 300 pounds. You can trust it to hold your sink securely. Installation is a breeze. No drilling or special tools are needed, simply use epoxy and follow the instructions. It protects your cabinets and countertops from damage. It offers both vertical and horizontal adjustability, allowing you to achieve the perfect fit for your sink. Get the precise alignment you need. It's suitable for various undermount sinks in kitchens and bathrooms. It's a versatile solution for all your undermount sink needs. Before applying the epoxy, ensure the surface is clean and dry. Always test the fit before gluing for optimal placement. What we like. Made from sturdy zinc-plated steel, it offers reliable support for your sink. Installation is simple and requires no drilling, preventing damage to your countertops. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit. If you prioritize a simple, damage-free installation and a secure fit, this is a great option for you. What people say. I use these brackets to hold an undermount sink to a granite countertop. After turning the countertop upside down, checking for proper placement and marking sink outline, I ran a bead of caulk for the sink, laid out the brackets and applied a 2-part epoxy. 10 brackets came in the package. I used all of them, which was definitely overkill. These things are very easy to use, and if you apply the epoxy generously they are very strong and sturdy. This is the second time I've used this product to adhere a sink beneath a quartz countertop. It worked perfectly both times and I won't be using any other method for installing similar sinks in the future. Applied Gorilla adhesive to the base. The holes in the base allow for the adhesive to seep through, while you press the base to the surface, creating a bond not only on the contact surface side but on the other side as well. This is done by smearing the adhesive, the part that has seeped through the holes, thereby creating another layer of sealant, but on the top side, of the base. Number 1. Serene Valley NSA 104 Sink Clips. These heavy-duty sink clips are built to last. They're made of steel for durability and rust resistance. You get 10 clips in one pack, offering great value and peace of mind. They're designed for a secure and lasting hold. Installation is a breeze, no special tools are needed. This prevents damage to your countertops and cabinets. These clips are adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your sink. Simply adjust them horizontally for a secure and precise installation. They provide a secure and reliable hold for your undermount sink. Enjoy a beautifully installed sink for years to come. We stand behind our product with a limited lifetime warranty. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We'll refund you if you're not completely happy. What we like. This product uses heavy-duty steel for impressive durability and rust resistance. It's designed for easy installation without special tools, preventing countertop damage. It provides a secure and long-lasting hold for your sink. If you value durability, ease of installation, and a reliable hold, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use and very durable, the sizing isn't overly massive and nothing to worry about breaking either. Paired with the right adhesive, these will hold until you want them removed. Between the clips and the silicone adhesive, so far, so good. Been about a month and a half now and the sink works great. Update, it's been about a year since I did this project and the clips are still doing their job. Tightening these up made squishing the RTV around the sink base very easy. I hope the epoxy will hold for years, will update if anything changes. Recommend these for ease of sink installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.